Here's a short ONYX tip, surprisingly useful and one of those ONYX commands people often overlook. The command is load. Let's say I select a fixture. And then I type in load. Now, these values from this fixture will be loaded to the programmer. These values coming from that queue which is running, and now I can easily adapt these values and record or update something. But without selecting a fixture first, hitting the command load again, it will load the complete output from active queues. No matter how many you are running, it will load all the outputs. I have running only one queue here, but it will load all these values to the programmer. So it's very useful when you want to grab control from Playback quickly without rebuilding everything manually.